Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply close your account in Amazon. It's like battling with gnomes and elves, and you need to go through that way to get your, your treasure, because it's not easy to delete your account. You're gonna have this link down below in the description, so just click on it, and then you're gonna see, when you're gonna scroll down below, to close your account, please contact us to request. Yes. Please close my account. Yes. Did you know you can call us? Okay, that's email. And now all you have to do is enter additional information that you want to delete the account, and you're good to go, and you don't need to do anything at all after this. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in comments. I'll be happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.